Welcome back to another video in our series. Before we dive into today's topic, hit like and subscribe. It's infinitely easier than figuring out which bin your recycling goes in here in Germany. Your support means a lot. Now, let's get started.
Question number 141. What applies according to this traffic sign? I may not impede pedestrians, ensuring their safety and right to use the road freely. True. I may only park on designated places, maintaining order and accessibility in the area. True. I have to drive at walking speed to integrate safely with pedestrians. True. Question number 142. What does this traffic sign combination mean to you? I am not permitted to turn right or drive straight ahead, which is incorrect in this context. False. If I continue driving straight ahead, I have to allow right of way to vehicles arriving from the right, which is not applicable here. False. I am on a priority road that bends left, indicating the road direction and priority status. True. Question number 143. What do you have to be aware of when you see this traffic sign? Children may play across the entire road, emphasizing the need for extra caution. True. Motor vehicles have to drive at walking speed, ensuring the safety of all road users. True. Pedestrians are entitled to use the entire breadth of the road, reflecting shared road usage. True. Question number 144. What does this traffic sign indicate? A toll road, which is not indicated by this sign. False. A prohibition on through traffic, also not the purpose of this sign. False. A customs point, signifying border control or customs checkpoint. True. Question number 145. What is correct in this situation? A built-up area starts, which is not represented by this sign. False. A deviation ends, also incorrect as per the sign's indication. False. A built-up area ends, correctly indicated by this sign. True. Question number 146. What do you have to observe in a traffic situation like this one? Cross the center line in order to overtake, but only when it's safe and does not endanger other traffic. True. Not cross the center line if this would endanger other traffic, emphasizing safety and caution. True. Cross the center line in order to pass by the obstruction, ensuring the maneuver is safe and does not impede oncoming traffic. True. Question number 147. What does this traffic sign indicate? An emergency stop and breakdown bay, providing a space for vehicles in case of a breakdown or emergency. True. A temporary additional carriageway, which is not the purpose of this sign. False. A stop for brakes and changing drivers, which is also not indicated by this sign. False. Question number 148. You are driving on a road that has a protective lane for cyclists. How may you use the protective lane? You may not stop on the protective lane to ensure cyclist safety and passage. False. You may drive on the protective lane when necessary, but only if it does not endanger cyclists. True. You are not allowed to park on the protective lane to keep it clear for cyclists. False. Question number 149. What can red-white warning plates on vehicles indicate? Parking warning signs may indicate trailers parked on the road within built-up areas. They are also used for marking vehicles with excess width.